ఎన్సీ గవర్నర్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ శ్రీ బిశ్వభూషణ్ హరిచందన్ గారు, శ్రీ ఇమ్తియాజ్ గారు, కలెక్టర్ కృష్ణ, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కలెక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ విజయనగరం, ప్రకాశం అండ్ వైజాగ్, ఆర్డీఓస్ ఆఫ్ పుట్టపర్తి, విజయనగరం అండ్ మదనపల్లి, అసెంబ్లీ సెక్రటరీ, ఎండి ఏపీ మెడికల్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కార్పొరేషన్, senior officers from Rajbhavan Secretariat, awardees, ladies and gentlemen. On this happy occasion of 11th National Voter Day occasion and completed Special Summary Revision 2020-21 even in these adverse conditions. Further, the administrative machinery also completed Rajya Sabha elections, MLC elections, distribution of photo identity cards and preparation of voters list for teacher MLC elections. The administrative machinery also distributed around 80 lakh of non-standard to standard epic cards during this year 2020, which is a major achievement for any state in this country. On this happy occasion, Election Commission of India is launching 2 additional services to the voters. One is web radio called Hello Voters. The other one is electronic epic card. Hello Voter is an online digital radio service which will stream voter awareness programs. It will be accessible through a link on the election.
We, the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of It gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate the National Voters' Day celebrations in the state. This National Voters' Day is also popularly known as celebration of democracy. The 11th National Voters' Day is being celebrated all over the country, which with the theme of making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe, and informed. As you are all aware, the National Voters' Day is being celebrated all over the country since 2011 on 25th January every year, the day on which Election Commission of India was formed in the year 1950. The celebration of the National Voters' Day reminds us of the power as a voter which has been granted by the Constitution. The vote is not just a right to be exercised mechanically as end of when elections are conducted, but it is a powerful instrument in the hands of the people. The power to exercise our franchise, to cast our vote, makes us sentinels of noble democratic traditions. As the largest and most vibrant democracy, India is considered by many nations as a beacon to the world in reinforcing faith in the power of the ballot. There are many nations around us with lesser population and less diversity compared to us, but none of them have been able to demonstrate and sustain the power of the vote with a greater dedication and trust than our country. Exercising the right to vote is the most appropriate way to show our trust and confidence in the democratic process. In fact, the right to vote is the mother of all political rights under the Indian Constitution, and responsible citizens are the lifeline of the democracy. Being responsible citizens of the country, we should be aware of our rights and as well as duties prescribed by the Constitution. One of the fundamental duties prescribed in the Constitution is about our civic responsibility to speak out freely in support of democratic principles of freedom, equality, justice, human rights, social welfare, environment, political and social improvement, both domestically and internationally. Every citizen of the country, including the youth, should feel proud of the performing their respective constitutional duties, as this will ensure their meaningful participation and significant contribution to the growth of the nation and the society. It is this sense of responsibility as citizens that would make our nation strong, invincible, and globally respected democratic power. To ensure participation of the youth in the electoral registration and electoral process, the Election Commission of India has been implementing various measures under the systematic voters education and electoral participation programs across the country. Students in universities and colleges are appointed as campus ambassadors to motivate and help students and their family members to enroll themselves as voters if they are not already registered in the electoral roll, making voters aware of the process of correction of address in case of change in residence, etc. Under the SBEP program, various activities such as conducting youth festivals, awareness campaigns in rural and tribal areas, conducting workshops, drawing competitions, organizing special camps during mass gathering, etc. are taken up to create awareness among all citizens to ensure that no eligible voter is left out. Electoral literacy clubs have been set up in educational institutions and the communities not covered under the formal education system to interact with the future voters and new voters through extracurricular interventions. ELCS would be seat of learning through the means of hands-on experience and shall serve as a vibrant hub of electoral literacy for developing and strengthening the culture of electoral participation among young and future voters. The ELCS will educate the targeted population about voters registration, end-to-end electoral process and related matters by engaging them through well-designed informative resources and hands-on experience and capacity building. Our new and young voters should come forward and actively participate in the celebration of our democracy. Incorporating information on voting rights as part of school and college curriculum would create awareness. Actual participation and exercise of right to vote would empower and enable our youth to contribute for the welfare of the society. I am glad to note that the final electoral roll of Andhra Pradesh was published on 15th January 2021. The right to vote is an invaluable right of citizens in a democracy. Electoral franchise not only strengthens participatory democracy but creates an environment to address common man's concern in the legislature and make necessary laws to resolve them. In a democracy, voters are not subject to any pressure or fear and they are free to choose the candidate of their own choice. My advice to youth is that once you become eligible to vote, you should get yourself enrolled as a voter. If already enrolled, verify the voters list and ensure your name is listed. If your name is not found, submit the necessary forms and get your name included in the list. Also motivate your friends to enroll as voters. Election is an important process for democracy, and every voter has a responsibility and duty to cast his vote on the election day. By exercising the right to vote, citizens are participating in the democratic process to elect the leaders of their choice to represent their interests and aspirations in the legislative bodies. Joy Hind.